Are we holding pressure with the air knife on?
Up and on there.
Got to 76.